to a new video. Look, I was sensible and I sharpened out my address. There's a first for everything, right? So I have been sent, I've been waiting a little while for this to turn up. This is like a mini haul from Born Pretty. I've got some stuff. I've got some shiz to show you. So the first thing I got was some nippers. Now I already have some Born Pretty nippers and I've had them for a long time and they've done me really well, but they're starting to get a little bit, they're still sharp, not gonna lie, but they're starting to get a little bit tatty. So I thought I would get some more, and these are they are exactly the same as the ones that I just showed you were the ones that I'd had for I don't know, I've had them for a long time, but these are the new ones. So they come with that little plastic cover to go over the head, I don't know, this bit here, just so that you don't cut yourself or cut anyone else, because that would be dangerous. Health and safety, you know, safety first and all that. So those are the nippers. Then I got some nail stickers. I love Born Pretty for like nail stickers. I've got this thing about nail stickers. So I chose some. You can see it's taken a little while to get here because I got some sort of summery flowers. Now I think when I asked them, when I chose what I wanted, I was hoping that they would be here for sort of like the tail end of summer, and I guess it kind of is still the tail end of summer. I just think because the weather's been so poop, it just feels more like autumn. But these are they're very, very pretty. These are the florally ones, but I mean we could use some of them in autumn. They sort of look as well like sunflowers are summery. Anyway, there's these sort of tropical palm leaves as well, which I really like. I love the, and I love kind of stamping plates with these kind of designs on as well. But these are the nail stickers. There's some more nail stickers. Look, I've got some more. I absolutely adore the butterfly ones. Then you've got some rainbow ones here. These are pretty cool. Oh, yawn. Oh, where did that come from? So you've got like thin lines at the end and then thicker lines at the other end on the right side, but they're all like rainbow. And then these really gorgeous, they're butterfly stickers, but they're a little bit hollow. I got some similar in a haul that I done a little while ago as well, but I'm just obsessed with these at the minute. And I decided I'm going to do a nail with these butterfly stickers on because I think they're gorgeous. So these are all the stickers. And then you've got some more other stuff. Now, these are the things that I can't remember. I can't remember picking these, but I must have done, but I can't remember because I've already got a massive bag of black ones of these and white iridescent ones. But in this one, you get lots of different holographic colours. These are all letters of the alphabet. So these are pretty cool. They go quite nice with these, I think, in my personal opinion. So look how hollow they are. They're really cool. I'm gonna have to use them for something, but I don't know what. I have to have a think about it. And lastly, I chose a stamping plate. There's loads of stamping plates on there as well. And I particularly liked this this wavy line kind of thing going on here. I thought that was kind of good. So I have to try out this stamping plate at some point as well. But that is everything that I got from Born Pretty. I'm going to do a little nail today, just one single nail, another accent nail we'll call this. And I'm going to use, the base colour I'm going to use is Blingline's Bonnie. This is a hard gel colour, a coloured hard gel, whatever way round you want to say it. Spit your words out, Nats. So I'm going to... You'd do it differently, obviously, if it was on a real nail, but for the sakes of this video, I'm doing this on my flexi hand. So I'm applying Bonnie to the nail. Now, you'd normally prep your nail and put your bond and everything on underneath first, but just for the video, we're not going to do that bit because the flexi hand doesn't need... Oh my gosh, my light's flashing. Oh no, it's fine. Oh, I thought there was something wrong with my LED lamp. I was going to cry then. Oh. So, right, Bonnie goes on. We're going to do 2 coats of Bonnie, 2 thin coats. And then into the tacky layer, we are going to apply this beautiful glitter. This is the Diamond Dust glitter from Nail Sugar. I absolutely love this. You can get 10% off your Nail Sugar orders using my code NATMUG10, all in caps. But the information will be in the description box and on the screen as well. I'm just burnishing Diamond Dust into the tacky layer of Bonnie. Isn't she pretty with Diamond Dust on? Oh my gosh. Right, so now this is where we're at. Over the top of the glitter, I'm going to place one of these gorgeous butterfly stickers that I'm just obsessed with. I'm going to take one of the pink ones at the top, I think. Yes, we're going to do that. These are really good as well. If you're not very good at like freehand or anything, stickers and decals are really good for adding designs onto your nails. There we go. So that is the butterfly sticker. Now over the top of that, I want to apply some matte top finish. This is Blinkline's matte top finish, and I get all my Blingline bits and pieces from the little nail shop. The information will be on the screen and in the description box. I also have a cheeky discount code for the little nail shop. It's NATMUG10 as well, but all the information, as I said, will be on the screen and in the description box. So over the top of this nail now, we're going to top coat using that matte top coat. If you do a lot of this with glitters, you might want to have two separate top coats, one for glitter and one for like solid colours, because you don't want to contaminate your top coats, FYI. So that matte top finish has a tacky layer, so we're going to use some isopropyl alcohol to wipe off that shiny tacky dispersion layer, and then we're left with I really like this matte top coat. Over the top of that, I'm going to just apply some detail using Blinkline's white gel paint. It's a white gel paint, and oh, the Nail Sugar NatMug detailer brush. I've actually got two on the go. I opened two by accident. My last one I've now officially, it's retired as a detailer brush, and it's now a picker-upper of gem glue brush. So I've had to get myself a new one out my drawer. I've got a couple of spares, you see, and I accidentally opened two by mistake, so I've got two on the go now. But we're going to use the brush to I think there is some of these on order as well, by the way. So there is some on order, but they're not in stock at the minute, I think. Might be wrong, but hopefully we're not going to be waiting too long for them to come back in stock. I'm doing a arch, a kind of cuff, but not near the cuticle area. It's a little bit further down from the cuticle area, and once I have done this, I'm not going to cure it. I'm going to get some more of that beautiful Diamond Dust glitter. This is a staple. This has to be a staple in your Nail Sugar collection. That goes over that uncured white gel polish, and then that goes into the lamp to cure. So the cure it for 60 seconds, the gel paint, but I like to just cure it for a little bit more because it's now got glitter on it. Just to doubly make sure that it's, you know, that it's properly cured. And then with a hard brush, you can just brush off the excess glitter. Then I'm going to add another arch, just a little bit above the last one, but not quite at a cuticle. This kind of reminds me of, like, I want to say almost like the Adidas 3 stripes, even though there's two, or a kind of, what are those shirts that have the stripes on the arms, like a, I don't know what the word is. Anyway, that's just me being, I don't know, it just reminds me of something and I can't think what. Or a pair of socks, you know. I don't know, it's bizarre, but I like the look in the end. I kind of like how it finished up. So then again, we're going to sprinkle over some Diamond Dust glitter into that uncured gel paint. So it's like a proper Diamond Dust nail, this one. Like, it's burnished and it's sugared and it's just everywhere. I love it so much. There we go. Pop that into the lamp to cure. Brush off. And then pretty much it's done. And this would again make a really nice accent nail. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I think it's really pretty. I love the butterflies. Let me know what you think. I think I might have a discount code for Born Pretty, but I'll leave it all in the description box below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. And I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with another video. Yay, love you all. Bye.